So what we have here is our Schoology course, and if I go into Schoology, I can access Rebecca's classrooms here. So I go to room 115, and under Add Materials, I want to go over here to the LTI, and in the LTI, I will launch my primary section. So this is how I'm going to add those assignments and materials. So you can see that I've added one down here, readiness diagnostic numbers 2-5. Okay, I've already deployed that, so we're gonna hang tight for a minute. To build an assignment, I would go to Add Pre-Built Assignments, and under here I can select which ones I wanted. So I went under number 2, and then somewhere in here, one of these classes, I dropped down and selected the activity that I wanted. So once I've selected that, there it is. Come down here, maybe an exit ticket, right? So I'll add this exit ticket, and I'll show you what I mean. And I'm going to deploy this as an assignment, so it's not just something I want students to complete, it's something that I want to get the data from. So now I'm going to add my resources to queue. I'm going to select that resource, and I have to set dates. I can set them just today, in the morning, in the evening, whatever it would be. Points are already assigned. I'm going to go ahead and save, and then deploy resources. So this then takes me to preparing course materials. This is going to take a minute or so to launch this. And then, of course, once it gets into Schoology, it will take yet another minute. So now everything has been deployed. As I come down here, I have this exit ticket. And again, this will take another minute or so to build in the background. If I click on it now, it's not quite active. So let's go back. We'll wait just a minute until it does push through. So I tried this with the other assignment, and it was successful after about a minute. So we'll try this again, and then if need be, I can cut this section out for time. So as we go back through, this is where students then will come. You'll have this assigned, and again, if I come down here under Edit, I want to make sure Enable Grading is assigned if I want to collect that data. Now, whether you use that data in your gradebook or not depends on what category you've assigned it to. And I know, for example, in kindergarten, you may not collect all of these grades, or maybe you're collecting them for your own tracking, but it's going to be different how you assign it into the report card. But anyway, we have enabled grading. We're good to go there. So now I come back. The assignment now is done, and I'm getting Ms. Rocky's view because she is the administrator, so I can't view this as the student themselves. But here, if I go under View for the assignment, when she wants to grade it, this is where it will come. And you can see that all of the students have shown up here. Now, the flip side of that, if we were to go back to Connect Ed, and we access Reveal Math this way, as Mrs. Rocky, I have my Reveal Math here. Well, I have two different classes. This is the one that traditionally we would use, and it does have students rostered in it. This is the one that we are linked into Schoology. So when I go under the homeroom section, here you can see the assignments that I've made. But again, under my roster, I don't have any students. So the assignments are here, and when I select on the assignments themselves, I have 0 out of 0 submitted. So it is recognizing that I have given this to students. It has been assigned as an actual assignment. Going under my exit ticket, this is the one that we were looking at in the class itself. So now as a student, they can go back in and they can complete the work, and all of the grades and everything will be set here in Schoology. So again, under View, I can see all of my students, even though they're not rostered in that class when I access it through Reveal. It's because I'm essentially taking Reveal's resources and then submitting them directly into Schoology, and Schoology has the rostering already. So you should be good to go there.